hinges creak in doorless chambers, and strange and frightening sounds echo through the halls. Whenever candlelights flicker, where the air is deathly still, that is the time when ghosts are present, practicing their terror with ghoulish delight.
You okay?
Our tour begins here in this gallery, where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state.
Let's see the portraits hanging above. Step away from the walls and drag your body towards the dead center.
Are we going down?
Yes.
Is it stretching?
The real chills come later. Now, as they say, look alive, and we'll continue our little tour.
Okay.
And let's all stay together, please. Actually, we have 999 happy haunts here, but there's room for 1,000. Any volunteers? If you insist on lagging behind, you may not need to volunteer. And now, a carriage approaches to take you into the boundless realm of the
Do you want to do 3 and 3 or 2, 2 and 2?
Take your loved ones by the hand.
I don't mind. 2, 2, 2. Yeah?
Oh, yes. And no.
You want to come with me?
You go with Daddy this time?
You're going to go with Daddy, right? Oh, me and you.
Me and you, love, is it?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
That will carry you into the moldering sanctum of the spirit world, will accommodate you and 1 or 2 loved ones. Kindly watch your step as you board.
His name is Richard.
We spirits haunt our best in gloomy darkness. No flash pictures.
I don't look at the cobwebs the same now.
Sorry.
No, that's okay.
Yeah.
Playful spooks have interrupted our tour. Please remain seated in your doom buggy. We will proceed in just a moment.
Okay.
Sorry about that, Chris.
No, magic ruined now.
Please remain seated until we'll now continue.
nearly fell.
Not pull down on
I know.
Oh, hello.
and heed this warning. The spirits will materialize only if you remain safely seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And watch your children, please.
Yeah.
Umalis ka sentado y manténgala sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro.
Por favor.
Y cuide a los pequeñitos y ahora prepárese.
Unlivable here in this ghostly retreat. Every room has wall to wall creeps, hot and cool, running chill. Listen.
Ghost is real! Get out of here! It's cold, isn't it? Tomb, sweet tomb. Madame Leota.
Time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond. Goblins and ghoulies from last Halloween. Awaken the spirits with your tambourine. Creepies and crawlies, toads in a pond. Let there be music from regions beyond. Wizards and witches, wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing a bell.
The happy haunts have received your sympathetic vibrations and are beginning to materialize. They're assembling for the swinging wake.
Swing his wings.
Expecting me.
Look at this, you ready? You like, are you okay?
We have been unavoidably detained by Frankie's spirits. Kindly remain seated in your doom, please. We will continue our tour momentarily.
Of every size. And begin to vocalize, Grinning ghosts from the social life.
Playful spooks have interrupted our tour. Please remain seated in your doom buggy. We will proceed in just a moment.
And to terrorize, Grinning ghosts from the social life.
Please remain seated. Your tour will now continue.
Start to slip off. Grinning ghosts from the social life.
And begin to vocalize. We have been unavoidably detained by Frankie's spirits. Kindly remain seated in your.
I can't take
Can't
it.
do it. No.
We will continue our tour
You can freeze it all day.
Oh, all right.
Playful spooks have interrupted our tour. Please remain seated in your doom buggy. We will proceed in just a moment.